iPhone is disabled and won't connect to iTunes. Solve. Apple recommends a restoration using iTunes and Mac to solve the issue. But the problem many people face is not being able to connect their iPhone to iTunes. What to do if your iPhone is disabled? You can take several initiatives if your iPhone is disabled. But knowing the reasons behind it, you can solve the disabled issue without facing any challenges. Why is my iPhone disabled? The most probable reason behind this issue is typing the wrong passcode repeatedly. If you miss it, the iPhone will lock itself. How can I fix it? But keep in mind that the iPhone might erase most of your data if you haven't backed them up through iCloud. Now, if you have a proper backup, you can try the recovery method, connecting to iTunes, iCloud, etc. iPhone is disabled and won't connect to iTunes. What do you do? We can't reject the possibility that iTunes will not show you a restore message. So, in case you can't complete the restoring process through iTunes, we have some alternatives to help you out. 1. Use another USB port. A bad USB connection can be the main culprit. Since the whole process depends on a cable connection, we suggest you use the verified ones. 2. Update the iTunes version. iTunes needs to be updated from time to time. This time, iTunes might not refuse the connection. 3. Use iCloud. A wonderful alternative to using iTunes is iCloud. Yes, it is a storage for your data. Step 1. Log in. Then, you have to put your Apple ID and password here. Source, https://youtube.b/5zqvkta. Step 2. Choose your device. Once you have entered the iCloud, select Find My iPhone. Your iPhone must have an internet connection for this method to work. Next, click on All Devices and select the disabled iPhone from the list.